You get the most from Google Cloud when you understand exactly how it's being used across your organization. Without this information, it's difficult to know what steps you can take to increase adoption, streamline processes, reduce costs, and increase the value it delivers to your team and organization. Active Assist recommendations draw on the power of machine learning to provide valuable recommendations and insights to help you optimize your cloud environment for performance, cost, security, and manageability. As a premium support customer, you get access to the Recommendations API, allowing you to build powerful integrations and adopt recommendations at scale. You also get access to the Recommendations BigQuery export feature, which makes it easy to create reports or dashboards for all recommendations in your organization. Driven by AI, recommenders leverage data-driven insight based on your team's usage and behaviors. This real-world data is augmented by advice and recommendations from Google experts to provide simple, powerful tips customized to the way you use the cloud. Recommendations are fully automated and appear contextually as you're managing different resources across Google Cloud. Google's optimization suggestions can help you run things more smoothly, increase your security, improve your total cost of ownership, and help you towards your business goals. For example, you might receive a recommendation to downsize a VM in order to save some money, or to remove some unused IAM permissions to improve your security posture. Recommenders will start offering proactive suggestions within 90 days of a project being created. Look for them in the Recommendations tab of the project landing page or on resource pages as you explore Google Cloud services. Gain valuable insight into how you're using the cloud, pick up tips on how to optimize your systems, and set yourself up to succeed with premium support.